some good dancing, Eli. It's some good dancing, baby. Yes, it is. That's what we call the baby booty shake. The baby booty shake. I love you. I love you.
Just think maybe I get it to teaching.
Alrighty.
Not a particularly good one, but it's an idea nonetheless. Good luck with that.
I hate you.